looking at question 8b from the 2015 National 5 Physics paper. This question doesn't really relate to the previous part, part 8a, so we'll just start from the get-go. In the second experiment, the student uses a motion sensor and a computer to produce the following velocity time graph. So if we scroll down, we can see the graph, but we can't see it all, so I'm just going to zoom out on the page a little bit so we can see the entire graph. And there it is. So we can see that at a time of 2 seconds, the trolley started to accelerate and it reached a speed of 1.6 meters per second after a time of 5 seconds. So, 4.5 seconds. So the question is, calculate the acceleration of the trolley between x and y. So we're going to use the equation a equals v minus u over t. So we'll just get up the text and we'll put in the equation a equals v, take away u, and we want to add in a line here, a dividing line. So we'll just put in that dividing line, and that's divided by t. And so that is our equation. And then we want to add in the values for what they are. So a is equal to the final speed. Now if we just go back up, we can see that the final speed was 1.6 and that the initial speed was 0. So we'll add that in. The final speed is 1.6 and that's take away the initial speed, which was 0. Okay, brilliant. And that's divided by the time. So if we go back up, we can see what the time was between those two speeds. The time at the start was 2 seconds, the time at the end was 4.5, so that's a difference of 2.5 seconds during which it accelerates. So that's the time that we need to consider. So we can put that time in, 2.5 seconds. And so that's the calculation that we need to do, 1.6 minus 0 divided by 2.5 seconds. So we can write in our answer. A is equal to 0.64 meters per second, and that's to the power of minus 2. Just drag that up a little bit, and there we go. So the key thing to remember here, of course, is that the value is given to 2 sig fig, because in our question, most things are written to 2 significant figures. And also our unit is meters per second squared, or meters per second to the minus 2, because that's the unit of acceleration. Common error here, of course, is to write in the time as 4.5 seconds, because we forget about the starting speed increasing from 2 seconds onwards. So it's important to remember that when we do a problem. So hopefully that's been helpful for you.